In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't hear anyone on Discord windows. If you're in a call or a server voice channel and everything looks fine but you still can't hear other people, the fix is usually just a quick change in Discord's settings. I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you should have your audio coming through the right device. Start by opening Discord on your Windows computer. Look down at the very bottom left of the app window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your username. Click that gear to open User Settings. This is where Discord keeps all of your personal app preferences, including sound. In the menu on the left, find and click Voice and Video. This section controls what you hear and how Discord sends audio to your speakers or headphones. Don't worry about the other options here for now. We're just focusing on where the sound is going. Near the top of the Voice and Video page, look for Output Device. This is the setting that tells Discord which speakers or headphones to use. Open the drop-down menu and select the exact device you want to hear people through. If you're on headphones, choose the entry that matches your headset's name. If you're using speakers, pick your speaker device. Some devices appear more than once. For example, a USB or Bluetooth headset may show two versions. If one option doesn't work, try the other listing with the same name. As you switch devices in that Output Device menu, Discord will play a quick beep. That tone is your confirmation, letting you know exactly where the audio is being sent. If you hear the beep in your headphones, that's the right choice. If the beep comes from your speakers and that's what you want, you're set. If you don't hear a beep at all, select a different device from the list and listen again. Right under the Output Device selector, you'll see an output volume slider. If the beep is very faint, move that slider to the right to raise the level so voices are easier to hear. Make sure the device you selected isn't turned down or muted in Windows as well, but keep your changes focused here first. Once the correct device is chosen and the beep confirms it, you're done. Discord saves these settings automatically, so you can close the settings window and continue your call. That's all it takes to fix not hearing anyone on Discord in Windows.